Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I want to welcome you, all my new subscribers. Welcome, I hope you enjoy your time here, and to all my long-standing YouTube family who've been subscribed for many years, many thank you, many thank yous. And what's today's video all about? Today's video is all about my finished objects for November. As you all know, I'm part of the challenges with Ursula and V. OM Granny Square is our Ursula in South Africa, and V is Llama Crochet with V, or Veronica. My magenta V, she's my magenta V, so that's what I call her, and their links will be in the description box below. And we're part of the challenges, and the last Saturday of every month we come up and we share with you what our challenge is, and how we've gone about it, and if we've completed the challenge, and we encourage you to come up and share with us what your challenges are. Now it's November, and at the end of October, when we were at my house, my challenge for this month, for November, was to finish 6 of my whips. I had 7 whips. I've got 8. I had 8 and 1 is just ongoing. And I wanted all 6 of them finished and ready for December, because I decided that December was going to be all about me, making things for me, doing what I want, not what I, well, I do that all year round, but there's quite a few new things that I want to try, and and I'm trying to design a motif for one of my advents, because I've got 3 of them. I'll be doing Vlogmas in December as well, so which is one of the reasons why I wanted to get all these done. But as you all know, hashtag doing a Linda definitely applies, and I've definitely done it this month, guys. So instead of the 6 finished projects to share with you, I have actually got 14. So without further ado, I'll start with socks, then some wearables now, and blankets, and yes, so my challenge for this year was to make, learn how to do the waffle stitch. Done that, made a blanket. That's a gift for a family member. And then the other challenge was to make 6 wearables. Well, I smashed it, guys. I've made 10. And that is not including socks and hats and scarves. Like, this is just wearables. For me, a wearable is like a sweater, a cardigan, a jumper, a tee, a vest. For me, that's wearable. Yeah, I know socks are wearables, but I'm talking top half. So the first thing that I've finished off, these are Christmas gifts. These are gifts for my best friend and her partner. And I finished these. This is using the Alize yarn from Turkey that I purchased when I was on holiday. And this is for little Leslie, my little buddy. And they're not quite twins, but the nearest, damn it, is to swearing. So they're them. And then for Andy, I made him this, again using Alize sock yarn. He has got a bigger feet, a bigger leg. So yeah, so I finally finished them. Before I go any further, at the end of this video I will have like a slideshow of all the finished projects photographed. I've photographed them all, and they'll be in a little slideshow, because I think sometimes you can't really get all the nice detail in and that. So anyway, so that's 2 finished projects. The third one was my vest top. and this was a Stylecraft pattern, and I used bamboo and cotton. And you've seen me wearing this. I've made a short of me wearing it, and it's so comfortable. I love it. It's so soft and squishy. And again, everything that I'm talking about, guys, is in the description box below for you. And yeah, so that is whip number 3. Whip number 4 was a baby blanket, and this is using the Suzette stitch. And I made booties and a, what did I make with this? Booties and a beanie for a little girl, and this is going to be on our stall. My sister and I, we're going to be doing our first craft fair on the 2nd of December here in the UK, in Belle Vale. So yeah, so this is going to be put nicely into a gift box. And as you can see, this is the ice cream yarn in strawberry, I do believe it is. So that is that one. So that's whip number 4. Whip number 5 was Rick's sweater. I can't tell you how happy I am that this sweater actually fits him. It looks gorgeous. I'm so happy. I've done a short. Have I done a short? Yes, I've done a short with him wearing it. And this is the So Basic sweater by Maxim Sia. And I didn't have quite enough to do the cuffs and the cuffs on the sleeve, and this the ribbon on the end of the jumper. So what I did was, I think this colour goes really blends really nicely in, and this is my Mayak baby camel that I used on my what was it, the Scope sweater by Hoagie Locatelli. So this is what was left over. It's so soft and it fits in beautifully. A really well written pattern by Maxim Sia. I'll definitely be doing some more of his patterns, especially for myself and for Rick, and because the patterns are size inclusive, so even if they are for a male, you can, they're sized that way that even a female, you know. And I mean, I'm a lot slimmer than Rick. I mean, slender in the top than Rick. Rick's quite broader than me. So anyway, I am absolutely delighted. Fabulous pattern from Maxim Sia and lovely yarn. And the yarn is from Katie, who is the yarn whisperer on Instagram. I met him. He's fabulous, lovely man. Love him to bits. I think he's wonderful, so friendly. He's, if you're on Instagram, check him out, Yarn Whisperer. He is he's fabulous. I just love him. I love him when he does his little video reels on Instagram. So this is whip number 5. As I said, I will put all the links in the description box below. Now whip number 6 is, remember the Yarn Inspirations fall mandala blanket that I made for our June in blues and browns? Well, June's granddaughter Katie loved it so much, she asked June if I would make her one, but she wanted it in black, cream and gold. So I said, yeah, fine. So this is done. This was the last whip I had to finish off this month, and this is what I've done. And I just love the way the colours. I started with black and I ended in black. It's a 50 rows, so I decided to do 5 rows for each colour. So we go black, cream, gold, black, cream, gold, black, cream, gold, black. Finishes on the black, and that's the way she wanted it. She wanted it to finish in the black. I never like to do the same pattern twice, but I think because this was totally different colours, and it wasn't changing yarn every row like with the full mandala. I really enjoyed this. I've used Stylecraft's Aran, which is a 4-weight, in black, cream and gold. That they're the colours, believe it or not. So it's black, cream and gold, and I am delighted with how it's turned out, and I hope Katie, well, she's not seen it, Katie's not seen it yet. So as you can tell, I can't really do it justice. So there is a slideshow at the end of the video. So then for the craft fair, oh, and then I've got our June's youngest granddaughter, Lyra. She's 2. I think she's going, yeah, I think she's 2. Anyway, I've got her a doll, and I wanted to make an outfit. And June's used this yarn to make a pram blanket for it, and I have actually made, so this is 6, this is 7 and 8, project 7 and 8. So I have made trousers and a poncho in the same yarn that the blanket for the pram. So oh my gosh, I went into Smith's, which is a toy shop, and the stuff for little girls, oh, I could have spent a fortune. Oh my word, oh my word. So I've got a few little dresses to go with this. So she's got an outfit that she's wearing, and then she's got these and a couple of dresses and that. So yeah, so they are whips, not whips, finished project 8 and 9. So I think it took me about 2 days to make them. And then for our craft fair, I've used easy beanie and scarves pattern from Crystal from Bag a Day. The link will be in the description box below. So I've used 4-weight yarn. I've made children's hat, and this is the keyhole scarf, and then this is the hat with the pom-pom. So this is 9 and 10, and the thing about the pom-pom is you can take it off. It's tied in with a ribbon, so you can undo the ribbon and wash it. So this is 9 and 10. So I really like the yarn. Again, it's a 4-weight. And then this one, so this is 11 and 12. This isn't, the hat is my pattern, because you can tell because of the thing, and the but the scarf is definitely Bag a Day scarf, which I think goes really nice with the pom-pom. And last but not least, the last of my finished projects for November is the grey set with the grey pom-pom. So yeah, so I've been a busy girl this month. When I was putting everything together for the challenges, I couldn't believe how much I'd done. So anyway, I'm still working on Stephen West's Geo Gradient using Ducky Darling's yarn, and I've decided for clue 4 I'm going to actually crochet clue 4 right the way across. Hold on. Yeah, so it'll go which way? This way. So it'll actually go right across, and that needs seaming up there. I need to seam that up. Yeah, so I need to finish clue 3, which I am on the process of doing, and this will be done before the 26th of December, because our June and I were going to be doing the hybrid knit along. We stash busted yarn from my stash, and that's what we're going to be doing, going to be using that yarn from my stash for the hybrid knit along. And then I'm still making my motifs, my starflower blanket. This is just an ongoing project using Advent from 2021, which was Reggie's Advent, J-hook crochet. So I'm just working my way around. There's no rush. It's just going to be on the needles, and I'm in the process of designing another motif for one of the Advents, but I'm not going to show you that. I'm not showing you that yet. Yeah, and I thought, oh, I've got no socks. I must pick up a pair of socks. I must do some socks. I can't not have a pair of socks on the go. And I found some that I didn't even realise I'd started, which is this one, which I know I ripped for Rick anyway. And I found these hidden. so they're the three things I'm going to be working on now for till the end. And I'm using this yarn, which is from, where's my tab? It's called Good Vibes, and it's you know, I'm part of the sock subscription from Beehive Yarns, the Simple Pleasures Yarn Club I'm in. And this is the Good Vibes. I can't remember what month this is, but I really like it. Really autumnal. I think it's really nice for Rick. It'll go nice with Rick's sweater for Christmas. So yeah. So I need to. I'll get them done. They'll be done before the end, before Christmas as well. I've done quite a bit. I think I've got another. Hold on. 10, 20, 30. I've got another 30 rows to do, and then I'll do the heel flap and gusset, and then get it sorted. So that is all from me. Please enjoy the little slideshow, because I'll do a slideshow showing photographs which will give you a better view. And there'll be lots of links in the description box below for you to check out. And I hope you're all well. And thank you ever so much for all your support, for your comments, for your likes. And it means a lot. So I really, really do appreciate your love and support. And yeah, so that's all from me for November's finished objects, guys, finished projects. Thank you all so much. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.